everybody, welcome back to Hair Impact. I'm Cassandra Hilos, your host, and today I'm gonna reveal to you da, 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 why the plants are green. Yes, why when you go to nature you have this, explosion of green color around you. Why it's not red or yellow or purple? You know, what is going on? So maybe you know some biology from your high school, and I know that you're saying photosynthesis. The answer is there. So photosynthesis, for those you don't know or don't remember, like I did. So photosynthesis is the process of plants when they absorb energy from the sun, water when we water them, and carbon dioxide. They create food for themselves and they grow. So photosynthesis is in a way the answer, but not the total answer. And you're saying yes, that's the answer. Well, I have another question for you then. Then why photosynthesis organisms are green? You know, answer that one. So the answer is actually really recent to scientists. Very recent, like a few years, we know why actually the plants are green and not other different color. Why photosynthesis create, this green color on them. And the answer is that in very simple but very complex way, it does that in order to protect the plant itself from the sun. So it's like having sunscreen against the sun, UV rays, like we do, in our skins. So the plants actually is very sensitive, like our skins. When we have too much exposure to the sun, then we get burned, or too little. We need some sun to create some crucial like vitamin D or other elements we need for our body. It's the same with plant too. Who knew? So the spectrum of the light from the sun has got very different colors, and in the green color is where the plant is doing the best work. So it is this very narrow wavelength, the light, the green color is where the plant grows and becomes the best self. So in other colors it doesn't, and that's why it absorbs more green, and that's why we see green. Now the plants are so clever. Yes, we don't know that until recently, but it is. So they have created these tactics, these different skills they develop in order to protect themselves from the sun. And one of it, of course, is the green color, because this is where they absorb the most light from the sun. There are others, of course, ways they're doing it. They actually move their own leaves. Who knew they are moving? But yes, they're doing that too in order to protect them from the sun. So that is actually why the plants are green, because they absorb more green color from the sun. This is the best color, the best spectrum of the light. They are growing and thriving. Another, if they do it in other spectrum, it's really, they are in trouble. And that's why they're not doing that. They're very clever indeed. And we just knew that some few years now from scientists that they have developed this model of photosynthesis, and the light, the spectrum of the light, how much influence has got in the plants. And also they also found out about the bacteria, the purple bacteria. It's the same way for them too. And that's why in forests, when after the green is the purple they discover. So in the forest where you have these leaves above, so the smaller plants that don't get a lot of light, and they turn purple because of that. So it's the second best, color they have to thrive. So that is the latest from scientists why the plants are green. Thank you for being with me with another episode on Hair Impact. I'll see you next time. Make science super, make science your superpower like I did, learning about plants and the green color all over nature. And I'll see you next time with another episode.